Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Okay, so if you're familiar with drawing anime and manga, or even just watching it, then you probably understand that the style of many anime and manga faces is such that the nose is nearly non-existent, or at the very least, de-emphasized in many characters. Except when it comes to profiles. In the profile angle, it's not possible to make those noses nearly invisible. And because of this, a character in this angle takes on a very different look. This week, I thought we'd draw a couple of faces straight on and then in profile to highlight this phenomenon. Today we'll be drawing Eren Jaeger from Attack on Titan, sort of the season 2 version of him. And on Friday we'll draw Kamichi Akabe from Akabe's sailor uniform. Okay, so before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Eren Jaeger straight on and in profile. I'm going to draw each of our characters' heads step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. We'll first draw Eren in a straight ahead pose, then in profile. In both cases, we'll use guidelines to help line up some of the features. Remember, guidelines are there to guide you, but you don't want them there at the end, so draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Generally speaking, the basic layout for anime features are as follows. Facial features take up the bottom half of a face, the forehead and hair take up the top. Depending on how big the eyes are on a character, there should be about one eye width between the two eyes. The bottom of a character's nose is about halfway between the bottom of the eyes and the chin. The closed mouth is about halfway between the bottom of the nose and the chin. The bottom of the ear should be in line with the bottom of the nose. The top of the ear should be somewhere between the middle and top of the eyes, depending on the size of both the ears, nose, and eyes. Now, those guidelines are not set in stone. They vary from face to face and style to style, but it is helpful to have a basic understanding of where things go when starting a face, especially if you've never drawn it before. Okay, so enough squawking. Let's draw our straight-on view of Eren Jaeger. Okay, so there's our front view of Eren. Now it's time for the profile angle. As I said at the beginning, the profile of many anime and manga characters looks vastly different than the straight view. Eren here isn't too bad. You'll notice a more pronounced change in our character that we draw on Friday, Akabe. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Don't forget to join me for that one. In the meantime, let's draw Eren in profile. Alrighty, there he is, Eren Jaeger from Attack on Titan, straight on and in profile. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Eren before in any angle, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Eren during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Eren Jaeger's face in different angles. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I'd like to challenge you to try some other angles of him as well. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawings of Eren. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.